ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke jela na kabentau snem arajar arfuar arajar arfulai kan salong ha ka Tarik unai Lber arajar arfuar bat kan kut hado ka khat new Tarik unai Lber arajar arfuar. Ya kanila pentip dau Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka jing kren bat gilat patai kubor hadin balawai ka jing yalang jong ka Business Advisory Committee.
The government has proposed a calendar and we had a discussion, we had a look at the calendar, proposed calendar, and we all agreed. So the session starts on the 4th and ends by 17th. So there will be, as usual, besides the presentation of the budget, I hope the government spokesperson must have already spoken to you. There will be issues which definitely are in front of us. Issues which are confronting the state will be the issues which we will take up in that available space, which is for the private members' business, and also under the different provisions of the rules of procedure and conduct of business. There are again some more spaces available for the members of the August House, particularly for the opposition. And we will look at how optimally utilize this time optimally to take up issues in the larger interest of the state and the people. And so we will be again sitting amongst the members in as far as our legislature party is concerned. 12 of us will sit, look at the issues and table those concerns before the August House for consideration.